Hi all, and welcome to another GJS Art Studio video. In this video I want to answer another question that we get often, and that is, what's the difference between a vector image, and a rasterized image? You'll know in most of the products that we sell on our clip art bundles that they come with different file types. EPS, SVG, PNG, and JPG. The difference in them is the EPS and SVG files are what they call vector files, and the PNG and JPEG are rasterized files. And I'm going to show you the difference right now, or the basic difference. What you can do here is I have a circle, just a basic black circle that I drew in Photoshop. I'm going to zoom in on the edge of that circle. And this is how you can tell a rasterized image. It's opened in Photoshop. It shows the pixels if you zoom way in. Again, these are high resolution, so you really had to zoom in far. But any of the PNG or JPEGs, you'll see on the curve of the circle or any other graphic that it has pixels. On a vector file, I'm going to open up Adobe Illustrator here. I've got the same circle, black circle. Instead, when I zoom in, no matter how far I zoom in, you never see those pixels. I can zoom all the way until Illustrator won't let me zoom anymore. And you can't see those pixels. That's because in a vectorized file, it's made up of mathematical points. The circle is actually drawn with 4 different points here and curves. And the benefit to the vector files is that you can scale these to any size you want and print them, and you'll never lose quality. Versus using the rasterized image, you'll lose the quality as you get bigger, because you actually see the pixels. Especially if you go really large, you'll actually see the pixels in your print. And that's really the difference.